So you've started thinking about buying a home, and you have many questions about the process. Being informed is so important when making a big financial decision, and there are a few financial decisions bigger than buying a home. So take the time to educate yourself and what you are getting into before buying a home. The more you know, the more money, time, hassle you'll save. Below I outline the 9 steps to take before buying a home. Number 1 is getting pre-approved by a mortgage professional. Getting pre-qualified by a mortgage professional is a great starting point to know how much you can afford to buy. A pre-qualification, though, is just an estimate of what a lender thinks you can afford based on basic financial information you provide. Once you get more serious and would like to start looking at properties, you will need to take that one step further. It's at this point that you'll want to get a pre-approval for a mortgage. The difference here is that the lender actually pulls your credit report and requires you to submit documentation that will verify your income and financial history. Once this has been confirmed, you will get a pre-approval letter that assures prospective sellers and their agents that you can obtain a mortgage and close on the deal. Number 2, shop around for the best mortgage rate. You'll probably be paying the mortgage for a while, so getting the lowest mortgage rate should be one of your top considerations. Number 3, know your closing costs. Closing costs are one-time fees that you must pay when you purchase a home. These costs include, but are not limited to, land transfer taxes, lawyer fees, any adjustments. In most cases, they have to be paid up front and cannot be rolled into your mortgage. So it's a good idea to budget between 3 and 4% of the purchase price of a resale home to cover the closing costs. Number 4, know what you want and don't necessarily buy for the life you have today. Do you want a condo, a townhome, a semi-detached, or a detached home? Do you want a bit of a yard, a finished basement? Write down your non-negotiables in a home, as well as the would be nice to have. Before you purchase a home, ensure that you think about your long-term plans. Do you plan on getting married, having kids, changing jobs? Depending on the market and the terms of your mortgage, you may not actually pay down any real equity between 5 and 7 years. So if you aren't sure that this is the house for you in the next few years, you'll want to keep on looking. Number 5, work with a skilled realtor that knows your area and exactly what you are looking for. And make sure it is a full-time real estate agent. Every neighborhood has its unique qualities that you want to be aware of before you buy. And an agent that is well informed about the area will also know what the homes are worth, which will help you avoid overpaying. They can also help you make decisions about the resale value and ensure that you get in to see the homes before they sell in a hot seller's market. Number 6, look beyond the paint, floors, and cabinets. Those things can be changed down the road if you do love the layout and the location. Number 7, become educated on the type of market that you are buying in. Is it a seller's market, a buyer's market? In a hot seller's market, you sometimes need to move quickly if you find the dream home that you like, so that you don't miss out. You may also have to fulfill conditions prior to submitting your offer, so it's important to know the home. And it's also important to know if the home is underpriced to get multiple offers or if it's priced at market values. Oftentimes in a seller's market, homes are priced below market value to generate a bidding war. So you want to keep that in mind when you're looking at the listing prices because they may actually be out of your price range, the sale price that is. In a buyer's market, you have a little more time to make a decision, and there will be more homes on the market to choose from. You'll also likely to be able to negotiate the terms and the price. Number 8. Buy the house that you know you can afford. This can be different than the number that you are pre-approved for by your mortgage broker. Sometimes your maximum approved amount will not leave a whole lot of extra cash for travel, eating out, or whatever other activities that you like to do. Number 9. If you are a first-time buyer, make sure that you know about all the first-time buyer incentives that can save you money. There's the home buyers plan, which allows first-time home buyers to withdraw up to $35,000 from their RRSPs to finance a down payment. Other incentives include the $5,000 home buyers amount, the GST HST new home rebate, and the land transfer tax refund. These are just a few of the things to know before purchasing your home. If you are thinking of buying or selling, I would be happy to answer any of your questions. Feel free to book in for a call with me in the link below. I hope you're all doing well, and I hope to see you soon.